Hello, I am David, the AI-powered tutor. Did you know that this video series was created using an artificial intelligence-powered video automation bot? If you would like to know more about its features, please visit ai.datascience.1. Hello world. Welcome to the Introduction to Python Programming video tutorial by Data Science Academy. In this video tutorial, we will learn about dictionaries. If you have missed watching our previous videos, the entire playlist is available in the description. Have fun programming in bits. As a general guideline, we ask you to pause the video while you are trying the commands in your idle. A screenshot with the output of the commands will usually follow. This will be the approach of asking you to try the commands yourself and comparing the results. If you are getting similar outputs, you can continue playing the video tutorial. If you are having trouble getting similar output, please contact us or leave a comment behind. Let us start by refreshing our memories of what we have learned so far about data types in Python. Data is stored and interpreted in Python as follows: numbers, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. We will be learning dictionaries in this video. A dictionary in Python is a collection of key-value pairs. A dictionary is enclosed in braces with a series of key-value pairs inside the braces. Each key is linked to a value, and one can use the key to access the value linked to that key. A key's value can be a number, string, list, tuple, or even another dictionary. We create a dictionary called myPlanet, containing the keys, name, and satellite. We assign the values, Earth, and Moon. Using the function, type, we can see that the object is interpreted by Python as a dictionary. Using the methods, keys, values, and items, we can display specific contents of the dictionary. The dict constructor can also be used to create dictionaries. When the keys are simple strings, it is also possible to specify pairs using keyword arguments. We have constructed a dictionary called score using the dict constructor. When the keys are strings, we have used a simpler syntax to create the next dictionary called goals. The value associated with a key can be accessed by using the syntax of enclosing the name of the key within square brackets. A dictionary by the name, My Company, is created containing two key-value pairs, namely, name and service as the keys, with Data Science Academy and Artificial Intelligence training as the corresponding values. The first value can be displayed using the syntax, My Company, followed by name, enclosed within square brackets. Similarly, the second value can be accessed using the syntax, My Company, followed by service, enclosed within square brackets. Unlike tuples, dictionaries are mutable. We can add any number of key-value pairs to an existing dictionary. We will add another key-value pair to our already existing dictionary, called My Company. We are adding the company's website as the new key, and www.datascience.1 as the new value. An empty dictionary can be initiated by curly braces without any elements. Key-value pairs are added using the syntax as shown. Here we have initiated an empty dictionary called catalog. To this dictionary, we sequentially add key-value pairs. First we add the name of the book, followed by the year in which the current edition was published. A dictionary can also contain multiple values for a particular key in the form of a list. As an illustration, we create a dictionary called Planet. To this dictionary, we have added a list, containing the names of the 5 oceans, as values to the key, called oceans. Multiple dictionaries can be stored as elements of a list. In this example, we have created a list called 3 wishes. The elements of the list are the 3 dictionaries, namely, Wish 1, Wish 2, and Wish 3. We hope that you learned something new today. Practice what you learned. And see you soon in the next video of this Python programming series. In the next video, we will learn about sets in Python. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.